Hello, very good morning. Welcome to Day's Testing Academy again. Welcome to the uh, Playwright automation videos which are posted in the past. Okay, so this is going to be 10th video, and we are going to see right how to capture a video. We saw in the previous video how to capture the entire page and make it as a PDF file. Okay. Now we are going to see how to capture a video. It's for an evidence, right? Normally, while doing an automation testing, right, our manager asks us to share video evidence, right? I was working in one project where we record the video evidence and share to the team, okay, of the automation report or manual report. I have a practical experience of sharing a video. Okay, so through Playwright app, right automation, we can record the script execution and the screenshot in a video. Okay, so that is what we are going to try here now. Okay, let me create a new class, quick new class. Okay, add main method, then I write the basic code, launch code. So this we are doing in all the previous videos. Okay. Okay, now I have added Chromium browser, launched browser type, launch options, self-headless, and set channel Chrome I've done. Okay, now I'm going to launch a page now. I'm going to add new context here. Okay, so new context options, we are going to use it for various things. Last time we saw how to do an authentication with the help of new context. Okay, new context we can do for various things, like for example isolating cookies, isolating storage, and other changing from one state to another state. Okay, for we saw last time, right, one browser to another browser we use new context. Okay, now we are using new context here to right capture a video also. For that I'm using the same like last time we did, new context options dot set record. So we are going to record a video of our execution. Okay, so we are going to record a video. For that we are using one method, set record video dir, and we are giving the path of the right file where we need to store. Normally you can keep it in our project folder. Okay, for example the name of the file and the extension of it, right? We can also set the what pixel we want. Okay, so we can set the pixel also of the video also. Okay, for that the method, right, we can give set record size. Okay, we can set the 1280 and 720, right, pixels, right? We can set this also. Okay, the axis also we can set here. Okay, so now we can then we can give new context, new page. Okay, if I do that, what happened now, it captures the records and playback. So then you need to give the URL also, what URL you are going to launch it. Okay, so this we can set it and go to the URL and do whatever we want, that will record it. Okay, we'll take orange HRM. Let me copy the URL. Okay, and paste it. Then I'll do a right. Oh, then I'll do give an username and password and click the submit button. I'll do a simple login steps. Okay, I'll do locate it with an XPath. You all know XPath, hope I guess. Okay, I'm taking an attribute based XPath with name and value. I'm using the tag name as input. New page dot hope please watch the locator video guys which I have posted in our YouTube channel for a detailed understanding of how to take an different X path. Okay, so I'm using fill method. Already we saw in the first video where we can use fill method. Now I'll take a password. I'm entering the password also. Now I'll click the submit button. I'll locate the submit button. I'll take an X path for that and I'll paste here. Then I use the new context to close the browser also. Okay, I'll run the code now. So launch the browser, enter the URL, enter the username, password, and close the browser. Okay. Now let we want to see the video, right? You see in the folder there is a video recorded. I'll play it. See, there is a video has been recorded for a evidence. See, the video has been recorded. Okay, like that we can record video also. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.